Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon or the Serendib, is a beautiful island in the middle of the Indian Ocean. For this reason, and for its pearl-like shape, is also known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is world famous for its finest Ceylon tea as well as the exotic spices. Year-round tropical weather, beautiful beaches, incredible food, more than 2,500 years old culture, and the island's friendly people are some of the many reasons that you should include this beautiful South Asian country in your travel wish list. Today, I'm going to take you into a beautiful mountain village in Sri Lanka. This small town is called IDALGASHINNA and located in Badula district. This town is located at an altitude about 1,615 meters above sea level. Therefore, the climate in this area is cooler. IDALGASHINNA railway station is considered one of the most scenic railway stations in the country. The area is surrounded by lush green tea plantations. Also, around this area, there are a lot of waterfalls, including the Bamarakanda waterfall, which is considered as the country's highest waterfall. Hiking, as well as biking and camping, are very famous activities that you can do in this beautiful area. Train ride from country's major city Colombo to IDALGASHINNA is one of the most scenic train rides in the country. The foggy surrounding in the morning adds a beautiful romantic touch. Also, if you are looking to get away from the heat, the cooler climate in this area is a perfect match. The famous 9-arch bridge that is pictured a lot when you talk about Sri Lanka is also closer to IDALGASHINNA. Surrounding tea plantations offer you many opportunities to taste Sri Lanka's finest Ceylon tea. Just like in any other place, the people in this place are also very friendly. You can taste variety of delicious food in this area as well. The food has a flair of South Indian culture because most of the people live here are tea plantation workers who has a relation to the South India itself. So I'm sure you found enough reasons to visit IDALGASHINNA if you ever visit Sri Lanka. And I hope someday in your life you will get to visit this beautiful country named Sri Lanka that I called my home. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.